Welcome. If you're tired of getting notified every single time a download finishes in Google Chrome, you're not alone. Those alerts can quickly become annoying, especially when you download files frequently. The good news is you can easily turn off these specific notifications without disabling everything else. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu where you can access Chrome settings. From the menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll find various options that control how Chrome behaves. What you're looking for here is notifications, so tap on that to continue. Now, make sure that notifications are actually enabled by checking if Allow Notifications is turned on. This might sound a bit confusing, but don't worry, you need this enabled so you can customize specific notification types. Next, tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you control exactly which notifications you want to receive and which ones you don't. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Completed Download. Once you find it, simply toggle it